In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up and manage bookings and appointments on your Weebly website. If you run a small business or freelance service, adding a simple booking system can save you time and make scheduling much smoother. So let's get straight into it. Start by logging in to your Weebly account. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you already have the embed code from the booking app you're using. Most booking platforms provide a simple code snippet that you can drop directly into your site, so keep that code ready. Now, inside the Weebly editor, head to the page where you want your booking section to appear. For most websites, this is either a dedicated bookings page or your home page, depending on how visible you want it to be. Once you've chosen the spot, go to the sidebar and drag in the embed code element. Click inside the box and paste the booking code you prepared earlier. You should now see the booking widget load inside your page. From here, take a moment to adjust the appearance of your widget. Many booking apps let you customize the style, colors, fonts, and layout so it blends naturally with the rest of your website. Matching your branding will make the booking section feel seamless and professional. After the design is set, make sure your booking settings inside the app are configured correctly. This includes your available time slots, service options, pricing if applicable, and any notifications you want customers to receive. Weebly itself won't control these settings. They are handled by the booking platform you embedded. So double check everything on that side to avoid confusion later. Once everything looks good, hit publish to push the changes live. Now your visitors can book appointments directly through your website without any manual back and forth. And that's it. Your Weebly site is now equipped with a clean, functional booking system that saves you time and gives your customers a smoother experience. Enjoy the convenience and keep your scheduling organized with ease.